This upgraded portable shower kit is fantastic. It has 6,000 mAh long-lasting rechargeable pump. It can work continuously for 120 to 150 minutes on a full charge. With a powerful water pressure that can be adjusted freely to a maximum of 8 liters per minute, it allows you to choose the water flow intensity for different uses. It's really a multifunctional use, suitable for outdoor camping, travel, gardening, watering, car washing, pet bathing, baby showering, or emergency situations. So the product comes with everything you need. Smaller shower, a larger shower handle. Comes with the shower head holder, which is great. It has suction cups in the back of it, as well as hooks. A charging cord is included. It's USB Type-C. It also comes with a nice carrying bag as well. It's really like having a portable shower head. You simply screw in whatever handle that you need. Once you screw it in, you place your pump into the bucket. The water pump also has an LED display, and it displays the battery level, the temperature, and 2 modes. So once your pump is in the bucket, you have the option to change from 2 different modes. The 2 different modes change the water pressure. The adjustable water volume is fantastic. It has so many different uses. It's good for outdoor camping, bathing, watering flowers, washing dogs. You can also rotate the button on the shower head to adjust the water pressure as well. From weak to very strong, it has 8 liters per minute.